Did you know thousands of people vanish in national parks following patterns that make no sense? Former police detective David Paulides discovered something terrifying. Experienced hikers disappear in perfect weather from popular trails. Days later, rescue teams find them in places they already searched. But here's the scary part. The victims are missing their shoes and clothes. Some are found alive miles away with no memory of how they got there. Children vanish while walking right behind their parents. Hours later, they appear in spots that would need expert climbing skills to reach. The most chilling discovery, these disappearances happen near granite rocks and water sources, like something is hunting people in these exact locations. When investigators tried to get answers, government agencies refused to keep records of these cases. What are they hiding about our national parks? The next time you go hiking, pay attention to the granite formations around you. You might not be as alone as you think. Follow for more mysteries they don't want you to know about.